Hi guys. Today is April 5th, I think. Really hasn't been a lot going on in the garden since I planted the peas. It's just been miserable out. It's just been cloudy and rainy and, like mid 40s. You can't get out and do anything. So just going to give you a little garden update. Today I'm going to test my rain barrels, my irrigation, to see if it still works. So I've got this rain barrel right here. And then there's one on that corner. And there's a hose running underground, and then it hooks up in this first bed to my drip hoses, and then it runs all the way down the right side of the garden. And then this barrel, again, there's a hose that comes underground. It hooks up with the drip line, and then it runs down the left side of the garden. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn both of these on. We had some rain the other day, and yeah, these are mostly full. So I'm going to turn these on and wait a few minutes, and we'll go check the end of the line because they're not buried yet. And then we're going to see if these lines are clogged and if I have to dig them up or if they're just fine. So here's the end of the line for the barrel that's on that corner of the house. And then this is the end of the drip line for this barrel. So it's probably just going to take, if they're not clogged up, it'll probably take about 20 minutes before we start seeing little beads of water on the end of these lines. So if we see those beads of water, we know that they're nice and clear, unclogged. We have some little bit of germination of the peas going on, slowly but surely. So we're getting there. Tomorrow's supposed to be a nice sunny day. It's supposed to be warm, so hopefully we'll get lots and lots of germination. And yeah, so there you go. There's the update on the garden. Hi guys, so it's been about 40 minutes and we've got some water making its way all the way down from this barrel. But this barrel, there's really nothing going on. That's the end of the garden hose, obviously, and there's just nothing. So I'm gonna give it overnight. Sometimes it just takes a while. So we'll see. Hopefully I don't have to dig everything up and put a new hose in and unclog everything. But anyways, so yeah, I'm pretty happy about this side. This side, not so much. But like I said, tomorrow I'm going to come out. I'll shake that barrel, see if there's anything in it, see if it's still full. It might just take some extra time. But there you go. Take care, everybody.